See, we are in a 300 point range, and if you see from 12,150, it's hardly 2.5%, not even a full 3% that we have uh, come off. So, market is fairly range bound. Now, yesterday, what happened was that from 11,800, 850, and on Bank Nifty, particularly 31,000, you had a sharp bounce back. Now, the 50% zone of the entire fall is about 12,000. So, we are going to almost open there. Now, if we get follow through beyond 12,000, then you would say that maybe the short trade is over. But for the moment, I think it remains kind of a pullback, and 12,000 for me will be a key zone beyond which we need to sustain, and 31,500 on the Bank Nifty needs to be sustained. But so far, you can say that after all and all is said and done, you are still around 12,000. So that way, maybe the correction is milder than some people thought, but certainly not out of the woods. See, basically, from yesterday, it appears that some more upside is possible, and several large stocks, they came off and reversed yesterday. So Kotak is a buy with a stop of 1670. Look for targets about 1720. TCS, after two very bad days, reversed yesterday. So that is a buy with a stop of 2025. Look for targets of about 2100. HDFC is a buy with a stop of 2300, target of 2365. IGL is a buy with a stop of 410, target of 435, and Jubilant Food is a buy with a stop of 1570, target of 1620.
I think the positional short should now be closed. The markets have found significant support at 11,800. That's a support level that was expected to at least be touched. It was almost touched yesterday and then held. The big rally we saw yesterday afternoon and the fact that the markets are likely to open higher today tell us that this leg of the correction is over. We are still in a trading range, and of course anything can happen beyond that. But as of now, positional shorts should be closed and we should be long. So we are changing from a positional short to a positional long position today. So starting with Bajaj Finance, consider buying Bajaj Finance. The pattern is the same. The three stocks I am talking about immediately, Bajaj Finance, IGL and Petronet, all have shown strong rallies and gone into a correction which has lasted 2 months. That correction is finding repeated support at their support levels for all three stocks. So consider buying Bajaj Finance, consider buying IGL and consider buying Petronet. Similar patterns, strong stocks, corrections seem to be getting over. The fourth stock is Siemens, which is a buy. There was drift was there. That drift, downward drift, may be coming to an end. So it's really an all buy list.
So far, what we have seen in Nifty is last 10 trading sessions, we made 2 attempts to go up. But this time, yesterday's attempt looks like perhaps it could hold for a while. We are into a larger trading range. Perhaps if that happens, then we may see an up move here. The targets on the upside would be 11,958, beyond that to 11,996, and maybe beyond that to 12,034. It's essential that we stay about 12,000 for it to say that the trend is still intact up. The major trend is still intact up, but looks like in the major trend, we are into a sideways drone. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, exactly similar is the case, and I think it can climb to around 31,438 to 31,577 zone. So looks like we could have an update today. I think I have 4 stocks, all 4 on the long side. DLF looks good, very good chance DLF can climb to around 240 zones, stop below 220. Kotak Mahindra Bank did very well yesterday. I think it should resume its journey up. Target on the upside is 1720, stop below 1670. Manappuram Finance also did well yesterday. Target on the upside is 175, stop below 160. And finally, I have Power Finance, which should go up to around 118 zones, stop below 113.